In this video, I'll discuss how to choose a good index. So there are a couple qualities that I use when determining what to choose as an index. One is that the values are unique, and the other is that it is descriptive. So before I even choose an index, I should say that it is never necessary to choose an index for your data frame. You can do all of the data analysis that you want without ever setting an index. Now, there are some cases where having an index is helpful, particularly with time series analysis, but even then it is never completely necessary to use an index to complete whatever data analysis that you want. You can leave it as the range index. Okay, so let's read in this movie data set that we've been working with. And before we use this title column, that certainly seems like the most obvious column to choose as the index. And if you look through here, you probably will not find another column that makes sense. So definitely fits the descriptive part, but is it unique? There could certainly be movies that have the exact same title. So let's just do .head here so we can clear that up. So when you set the index, and this is possible with the set index method, we'll pass it in title. There is a parameter called verify integrity. Now, by default, this is false. If you set this equal to true, it will actually raise an exception if there is a duplication somewhere in this column. So it will not work. So this is a nice way to only set the index if, in fact, these are unique. And since this worked, we can certainly see that it did pass that test. So it is verified that it is in fact unique. Now, what is interesting is that in pandas, you can actually have an index where that is not unique. So you can actually use a column that has duplicates and it will work, well, as long as you don't use this. So let me show you that. Let's actually just move up here and say we want to set the index as, let's just say this color column. So obviously we can see repeated values already, and that's possible. You actually do not get an error over here. It's possible to use a non-unique column as the index. So that's just how pandas was designed. Now, if we go down here again and use color over here with verify integrity equal to true, then you should see that you will get an error and it says the index does have duplicate keys. All right, so that should help you on setting your indexes and choosing ones that are both unique and descriptive.